Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment on my mom's hair. She's natural for 1 year now and her hair is very dry and scalp too. So yes, that's why we're doing the hot oil treatment. Over here I am starting to mix up all the oil together. I am going to use 2 tablespoons of each oil and mix them together and then warm it up. So my mom dye her hair every now and then to cover up her gray hair. So since she's dyeing her hair became dry and really has less of moisture or just don't have enough moisture. So that's why I chose those oil together because they have a lot of moisture. They prevent scalp irritation and they add shine to the hair. So her hair can really use this hot oil treatment. Okay guys, I'm gonna use this moisturizer lotion from African Pride. This is to take her braid out. When using a lotion or a oil, when taking the braids out, it really reduces the amount of breakage or shedding from the hair. So you can try it yourselves to see the difference. So try to take out your braid without and then take it with a lotion or oil and then you will see the difference. It really reduces the breakage. Shedding, your hair will always shed. There's nothing you can do against it, but there is an amount of shedding that is normal and an amount that is not normal. So yes, this really helps reducing the amount of breakage. So as you can see, I'm almost done unbraiding her hair. She really has this cute little afro. So I'm gonna comb it again, and then she's gonna shampoo her hair, and then we're gonna start with the hot oil treatment. Over here, I'm preparing the oil. I'm making it warm. So by the time that is warm enough, you can also taste it on your wrist to see if it's warm enough. Please don't make it hot because otherwise you might burn your hair scalp and we don't want that. So you just need to be warm. Alright guys, I'm just preparing to start the treatment and make sure that her clothes underneath are well protected and feels on her hair, and her hair feels very hard, very dry, and it shrinks very easily. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna section her hair in 4 sections and start applying the oil on her hair scalp first and then on her entire hair. And by the way, her hair is still wet. I only towel blowed her hair. Okay guys, my mom just shampooed her hair. She used this time another shampoo that was the moisturizer shampoo from Care for color treated hair. After she shampooed her hair was shinier, it has a lot of moisture, and it was very soft. So a minute ago you just saw a bowl with a brown mud. That brown mud is the henna hair dyer. Henna hair dyer is considered as a good conditioner for your hair, and as a result it can make your hair stronger, thicker and shinier. It may also help to restore the natural pH balance of your hair and scalp too. So instead of using all those chemical hair dyer, you can start using henna hair dyer. It is from natural ingredients, and it doesn't do any harms to your hair unless you are allergic for it or you get any reaction from it. But more than all, it is very safe to use, and you can leave it as long as you wish. So we're gonna use it on my mom's hair to cover up her gray hair. Alright guys, I finished applying the henna on her hair. I'm just gonna clean up her ears because there was some henna on it. We just don't want the ear to color too. So yes. So I don't know if you can see it, but I think that the henna was not enough for her hair. Of course, we managed to put it on all the gray areas that we wanted to be covered, but I think I underestimate her hair because she has really thick hair. So but we could manage to put the henna on all those area we wanted it to be. So right now we're gonna let it sit for 6 hours. At the time that I finished applying the henna on her hair, it was 2 p.m. and she gonna wash it out at 8 p.m. So that will make 6 hours. Unfortunately, at the time that she washed it out, I was already on my way back home, so I couldn't tape the result. But when I video called her the next day, I saw that the gray areas were got a orange color. So they were orange. So that's already like that with henna. It start to be orange and then it get darker and darker. So she's gonna try the henna again another time and then let it sit for a longer time. So guys, this was the video. This video was actually made for a hot oil treatment, but I decided to add this one on it. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you next time.